How to create group chat in Instagram. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to create group chats on Instagram but don't know how to create one? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's learn how to create a group chat on Instagram. Open Instagram on a device. You will land on its official homepage. Tap on the message icon at the top. With the recent update on Instagram, the steps for creating group chats have changed. Tap on the pencil icon at the top. Then tap on the option for Create Group Chat. Now you can search either by the people's name or select them from the list shown below with whom you want to create a group chat. Make sure you have selected at least 2 people. Otherwise, the option for creating a group chat won't appear, since a group chat can't be created with just you and one other person. In that case, you can simply DM each other personally. So make sure you have selected at least 2 people. If you wish, you can give the group a name. Simply tap on Name Your Group. Once you have named your group, finally tap on the option for Create Group Chat. And boom, you have successfully learned how to create a group chat on Instagram. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.